OGEN stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Oragenics stock, Oragenics Incorporated stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end. From a first glance, even like 2-hour chart, this doesn't seem like it's moving that much. I mean, it's not that volatile from what I can tell. I mean, wild guess, I was correct. I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, and as a result, gotten 1,000 script predictions. You know, I'm the only guy that has done as much proof, you know, predictions videos, documented them all, and called them out beforehand. Like the type of videos that I'm making, the only one on YouTube now. With OGEN, I would love to see like a double break and then take things lower. I will just not randomly short, you know. This is a 2-hour chart, so it will probably take time. But if I do see, like, I don't know if you can kind of look at the order flow, the market order flow. I want to see 2-hour double breaks like that, because now we're here. So if I see that, something like that, then and only then this is something that I'm then going to continue to short. But other than that, I will continue to keep you updated. So normal. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.